Here is an Amuse music distribution review. Amuse is actually accessible to Safari, Chrome, or Google. It is your music career without compromise. So, if you're into a music, Amuse is the right application or website for you. So, what is Amuse? Amuse is an affordable surf service distribution. With every 6 seconds, a song is distributed with Amuse, with the industry's fastest time to release and plan starting to $1.99 a month. Amuse is the easy choice for distribution. So, let's say, for example, you are an artist service that you wanted to actually produce a song and distribute it to the nation, you can go ahead and use or avail subscription to Amuse. As you can see, it is tailored with licensing deals, hands-on on release strategy, end-to-end distribution support, all in one when it comes to music. So as you can see, it is very trusted with so many artists already for over 400 plus artists and teams who actually use Amuse. So if you want to distribute your music with a very cheap and affordable price, Amuse is the right website or app for you.